Good afternoon. My name is Geoffrey Kamufumo. I'm currently doing my studies at Chaminuka Vocational Training Center, where I'm doing a national certificate in agriculture, specializing in tobacco. I reside in Zimba, under Shonaland West Province. So here I'm going to explain the processes now in the bands. So first of the processes that we're going to do after transporting the tobacco from the farm into this barn, we're going to talk about the barn loading. The barn loading first has to be explained with the quantity which is supposed to be in each barn. So the quantity of clips that's supposed to be in the barn, which is this manipular clips, is 400 clips in a barn. So to have the quantity that a barn carries of leaves, now we are now multiplying the quantity of 400 clips times 72 leaves, which are on one clip. So in this barn, there are special things that have to be in the barn so that the barn can be guaranteed to be a barn that is for curing tobacco. First of all, we have to have a hygrometer inside and a thermometer. And also we need vents up in this barn. For example, we are having this barn which is a rocket barn. We have different barns, rocket barn, conventional barns, but today I'm going to talk about the rocket barn, which is the one that we have at this school. So the first process is the coloring process, color fixing, and the reaping process. So after the reaping process, now we are talking about the drying process and the coloring process. The color process is the first process that has to be done, and this tobacco. The coloring of process is the process where we are now removing the green pigment of the color and making sure that the plant now is a yellowish color, and also the leaf is dried. In terms of drying, which is the curing process, the laminar drying and the mid-drip drying. The mid-drip drying, now we are not talking of the back of the leaf. Now there are special temperatures which have to be noted for our leaf to dry. For example, the first laminar drying, we're now talking of 30 to 35 degrees for the first and the face of the leaf to dry. After talking about the face of the leaf after drying, we're not talking of the mid-drip. Mid-drip, this is the back of the leaf, which is very much needed for it to dry under temperatures which are high, which is we are moving from 70 degrees and changing 3 degrees every 4 hours so that the leaf can dry. So these are the processes that we are going to do here, and the fuel that we are going to use fire as our fuel source. I thank you.